Hi friends, I am Sujit from India, and now I will give you training on the Java, basic Java. And this video will learn Java overview. Java programming language was originally developed by Sun Microsoft System, which was invented by James Gosling and released in the 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystem Java platform that called Java 1.0 J2SE. As of December 2008, the latest release of the Java Standard Edition is 6 J2SE. With the advancement of Java and it is wide separate popularity, multiple configurations were built to suit the various type of the platform. Example J2EE for the enterprise applications, J2ME for the mobile applications. Sun Microsystem has remained of new J2 version as a Java SE and Java EE and Java ME. Respectively, Java is generated by be where once run anywhere. Java is generated to be write once run anywhere. Object oriented. In Java, everything is an object. Java can easily extend since it is based on the object model. Platform independent. Unlike many other programming languages, including C, C++, when Java is compiled, it is not the compiled into the platform specific machine, rather into the platform independent byte code. This byte code distributed over the web and interrupted by virtual machine JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Whichever platform it is being the run. Java is the simple. Java is designed to easy to learn. If you understand the basic concept of OOP, Java would be easy to master. Java is secure. With Java secure feature, it is enabled to develop the virus free, tamper free system. Authentications technique and based on the public key encryptions. Java is architecture natural. Java compiler generate an architecture natural object file format which make the compiled code to be executable on many processes with the presented of Java runtime system. Portable. Java is portable. Being the architecture natural and having the implementation of the dependent accepts of the specifications make the Java portable. Compiler in Java is the written in ANSI with the clean portability boundary, which is the POSIX subsets. Robust. Java make the effort of eliminated error prone situations by the implementation manually one compile time error checking and runtime the checking. Multi-thread. With Java multi-thread feature, it is the possible to write a program that can do many tasks similarly. This design feature allow develop or constructs among runtime in interactive applications. interrupted. Java bytecode translate on the fly to native machine instructions and is not the stored anywhere. The development process is more rare. An analytical sense out the link of the incremental and highlight process. High performance. With the use of the just-in-time compiler, Java enables the high performance. Distributed. Java is designed for distributed environment of the internet. Dynamic. Java is the considered to be the more dynamic and C or C++ since it is the design to adapt to an evolving environment. Java program can be carry the extensive amount of runtime informations that can be used to vary and resolve access object or runtime. This is the overview of the Java. So all of the topic we can realize Java is the very simple, object oriented and secure software. With Java we can design the many type of the applications for internet based, for machine based, for mobile applications, for gaming applications, everything. More than 50 lakh million devices we can run with Java. You also get the many games with Java. And now we have designed the Android applications, Android game with the Java. This is the Android is also part of the Java. You can know Java, you can easily know the Android applications. Thank you for watching this video.